I would call it the most epic Colorado trip we've taken yet. Let's go. There you go, you got your hip up. It is cold. We just finished grocery shopping. We landed in Denver. It's like negative 30 degrees right now. Drove about 45 minutes. The roads are already getting covered in snow. Did a little grocery shopping. Got everything we think we're gonna need for the week at Walmart. Just waiting on Daniel. We got an hour left. So the goal for the week, we're doing 2 days at Winter Park, 2 days at Steamboat, 2 days at Copper. We might get a couple laps in at Winter Park today. We're gonna see. Tomorrow and the next day at Winter Park may be, tomorrow and the next day at Winter Park, excuse me, it's so cold, may be the best snowboarding we have ever gotten to do. Definitely the best snowboarding in Colorado, and it'll be our first time actually having fresh snow in Colorado. Sunday they're predicting like 9 inches and then 10 on Monday. It should be snowing all day throughout the day. Tomorrow, Monday, gonna be really great. We're again, we don't know, we might do some laps today. If you've never been to Colorado before to do any snowboarding, you definitely want to take it easy that first day. You don't want to do anything too crazy, kind of acclimate, take it easy, and then allow your body to adjust, and then the next day start ramping up into it. Time to go. My name is Alex. Welcome to my crib. Brand new, super modern. Got a nice little coffee bar over there. Kitchen, super tall ceilings. Hopefully when we wake up tomorrow, snow's up to here. Double sinks, super fancy bathtub, nice, super big, all glass shower with shampoo and soap dispensers. My wife is gonna be really sad she's not here for this bathroom. Good morning, everybody. Today is day 2. It is a powder day, and we cannot wait to get out there and get some fresh snow. We're starting the day off with a healthy breakfast. I'm trying to eat healthy this whole trip, keep it nice and lean. Got some Kodiak oatmeal to get some high protein in, some good carbohydrates to keep me going throughout the day. Also staying hydrated with some Element. Super important when you're out in the altitude to stay hydrated, keep those electrolytes up. Definitely want to help do that to avoid altitude sickness. All right, let's get limbered up and ready to go. Getting energy and staying healthy. Let's go. That's nuts. Might have an ice scraper, might not. Oh, you know what? I bet we come out of here and go left. Good morning, everybody. It is absolutely puking. There's at least 9 new inches of fresh snow coming down. Should be easily the best Colorado day we've ever had, and maybe one of the best days on a snowboard, period. Should be good. We have no idea where we're going. We're gonna wing it and figure it out. Look at it. Also, real quick, just huge shout out to Dane and Brittany for giving us their condo for 2 days. Here's the condo. Here's the slopes. Perfect ski in, ski out getaway at Winter Park, and technically we're gonna get some early tracks on this cat track, so without them this trip wouldn't be possible. So definitely check it out, linked in the comments and the description. Here we go. First laps. No idea where we're going. I'm coming! Oh, yes! That was awesome.
I'm going so slow.
Oh, I don't care where we're going. That was worth it. Whoa! There was a jump back there. Yes! Woo! This is the best snowboarding I've ever had. I gotta be honest, this might be the best snowboard lap we've ever had. Like, we had a lot of snow in Utah, but I don't know. Pockets checked. Woohoo! Yeah. Whew.
Go around, go around.
Yes. That worked out perfect. Yoo-hoo. I see an exit. Oh, this is sick. There's a drop. Woo-hoo. So, midday breakdown. Came back, took a 2-hour break. Hands down, best snowboarding we've ever had. Rested up, refueled, snacked, rehydrated. About to go back out, get some more. It's a powder day. You can't stay inside on a powder day. It's just too good. Oh man. Here we go. Here we go. First time Getting the party wave in the pow. Had an amazing morning this morning. Now we're just kind of cruising, having some fun.
So we did go back out, but we only did a few laps. We probably rode for about an hour and a half or so. We focused more on doing some more tight, technical, narrow tree runs because mainly our legs were tired and we wanted to save them up because there is another powder day coming. So nothing too crazy, but I did just want to include a few clips because these tree lines were really fun. They were really tight and challenging and a blast to ride.
Oh! What? Look out!
This is sinking. We're stuck. My bad.
Oh, yeah.
Then on our way back, the best thing about this condo that we do have is it is ski in, ski out. So we can literally snowboard right down to the door, unstrap, and walk in the building. Again, if you are interested in coming to Winter Park, definitely check out this condo. I have it linked down in the comments and the description. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait for you to see the powder day that came the next
I stopped
day.
because I thought that first one was it.
Oh, God.
This is crazy. This is nuts.